I'm gonna do this quick. Raindrops keep falling on my head, and just like the guy's feet are too big for his bed, nothing seems to fit. Those raindrops are falling on my head, they keep falling. And so I just did me talking to the sun, and I said I didn't like the way he got things done. Sleeping on the job, those raindrops are falling on my head, they keep falling. But there's one thing I know, the blues they sent to meet me won't defeat me. It won't be long till happiness steps up to greet me. Raindrops keep falling on my head, but that doesn't mean my eyes will soon be turning red. Crying's not for me, 'cause I'm never gonna stop the rain by complaining, because I'm free. Nothing's worrying me. Ladies and gentlemen, Bud Bacharach. Maybe in the 90s, 2000s, know that mean. It won't be long till happiness steps up to greet me. Raindrops keep falling on my head, but that doesn't mean my eyes will soon be turning red. Crying's not for me, 'cause I'm never gonna stop the rain by complaining, because I'm free. Nothing's worrying me. I didn't screw up that last. I just did that for fun, okay? I don't think this song. I wasn't even alive when this song was born, so it's not on the list, but it's on my list now. So, Mr. Bud Bacharach. It's written by Mr. Bud Bacharach. Austin Powers. I got sensitive skin. Don't mind if I scratch. I got sensitive skin, okay? Yeah, thank you very much.